Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about what it costs to own your tractor per year or what it costs to operate it per hour? I figured up what it costs to own this Kubota BX 2360 for 6 years and operate it for 508 hours. I've broken things down into 4 different sections: maintenance, repair, insurance, and fuel. In 508 hours, the tractor's had 3 oil changes. An oil change uses 3.3 quarts of oil. I use Valvoline Premium Blue Oil, which is $9.99 a gallon. I've gone through a total of 10 quarts, so $25 worth of oil, $9.05 for an oil filter, so $27.05 for the oil filters. So for 3 oil changes, the total has been $52.05. Then the hydro filter has been changed 3 times on the tractor at $12.56 for a total of $37.68. The hydro fluid has been changed 1 time. I got a 5-gallon bucket, which was used to top it off with just the filter changes for $89.95. The fluid in the front axle has been changed 1 time. It holds 5 quarts at $3 a quart for $15. I've used 1 air filter at $14.57. I went through 4 fuel filters on it before I did the Raycor fuel filter upgrade. The fuel filters were $7.76 each for $31.04. The coolant has been changed on the tractor 3 times. It holds 3.3 quarts of coolant. The first 2 times I used regular coolant, ethylene glycol, at $9.99 a gallon. The last time the coolant was changed, I upgraded to a better coolant that should last for 7 years at $24.99 a gallon. Then I used a couple gallons of distilled water at 99 cents each for a total of $36.78. So that covers all the maintenance that has been done on this tractor. The total is $277.07. All this work was done by me. If it would have been done at a dealer, the total would be much higher. If you're interested in doing your own work, check out my channel for more videos on maintaining your Kubota BX. So the next section is repairs. The water pump on this tractor was leaking back in the spring, maybe late winter. A water pump for it was $129.36, but Kubota actually had the parts available to rebuild the water pump, which is what I chose to do, and that cost $62.25. So it was about half the cost to rebuild the water pump. And when I was at the dealer getting the parts, the shop foreman was there, and he was shocked that the water pump was leaking on this tractor, and he actually did not believe me that the water pump was leaking, because he said he'd never ever replaced one on a Kubota BX, so I think that was just a freak thing that the water pump on this tractor was leaking. And the other thing I have under maintenance, some people may also consider it an upgrade, as the Raycor fuel filter upgrade. I found that filter on eBay for $50, and then by the time I got fittings, hoses, clamps, a piece of metal, and a bolt, I was into it for $75 total. After doing the Raycor fuel filter upgrade, that ended all of the fuel filter issues I was having with this tractor, which was a pretty common problem. So the total in repairs was $137.25. Alright, the next thing I want to talk about is insurance. A lot of people may decide to not get insurance. I think it's important to have the K-TAC insurance. That way you're covered off your property while the tractor is being trailered. And they seem like they're really good to deal with from what I've heard. The insurance on this tractor runs $157 a year for a total of $942 for 6 years. The last thing I want to talk about is fuel consumption. I've checked the fuel consumption on this tractor several times, and it's always been right at a half a gallon per hour. It's always been like 0.56, 0.53, whatever. It varies depending on what type of work I'm doing. But that is my average for this particular tractor. So in 508 hours, I actually figured 6/10, which is a little bit high. I went through 304 gallons of fuel. The current price of fuel right now is $245.9 for a total of $749.50 worth of fuel. So now if we add up all 4 groups, the total is $2,105.82. And that is for 6 years, 508 hours of ownership. So that comes out to $350 a year, or $4.15 an hour. Like I say, that includes maintenance, repairs, insurance, and fuel. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on tractors. Also, click on the little bell so you'll be the first to know about my videos. And check out my Facebook page. It is Tractor Tech. I'll have a link in the video description.